Let's dive into the world of adverbs.
What's an adverb?
It's like a sidekick for your verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, and to what extent something happens. For example, in she sings beautifully. Beautifully is an adverb telling us how she sings. There are different types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner answer the how, like quickly or slowly. Adverbs of time tell when, like yesterday or soon. Place, here, there, everywhere. Frequency, always, never, sometimes. And degree, very, extremely, barely. Quick exercise. Identify the adverb in this sentence. He ran quickly.
Quickly.
Awesome. Now, try this. Add an adverb to she smiled. What did you come up with?
She smiled shyly.
Keep practicing, and your sentences will be more descriptive in no time. Cheers!